This look amazingly inviting. Welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning in. Watch me prepare this mouth-watering, delicious porridge beans. I'll start by picking my beans to avoid any stones. Then in a clear bowl, add water to wash properly. After washing the beans, I'll put it in a pot, then add enough water to cover the beans. I will cover and cook the beans until it is tender. These are the ingredients for my bean sauce. I'll go ahead and blend them into a paste. This will be done off the camera. After 25 to 30 minutes, I'll check the beans to ensure that it is tender enough by pressing it just like you see so. And once I'm satisfied with it, time to make my bean sauce. In a frying pan, I'll go ahead and add my red oil, enough oil to cook my beans. I'll allow it to bleach a little bit, then add my chopped onions. I'll stir the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. Afterwards, I'll then add my blended ingredients. I will stir until it's all well combined. Two nut cubes will do, and also half tablespoon of salt. Stir properly and then add my crayfish. Stir again. In go my dry pepper. What is cooking beans without pepper? I love peppers in my beans. Anyways, let me just continue stirring my sauce. I'll cover the bean sauce to cook and let it blend with the ingredients. This is how it should look like. I'll stir again, stir very well. Can you see how nice it looks? It's already drying. I'll add a little bit of water and I'll stir again, nicely and gently. And that is my sauce ready. It's time to marry my sauce and the beans. I'll go ahead and pour in my sauce into the cooked beans and I'll stir properly until it is well combined. Wow, take a look at that. See how my beans is popping. I'll add my shredded chicken. This is optional. You can use any protein of your choice. I'll go ahead and stir that properly to combine. Take a look at that. See how that beans is popping, looking delicious already. I'll cover for just 2 to 3 minutes and my beans is ready. Wow, this is looking amazingly delicious. Please tell me how you prefer to make your beans in the comment section. If you stayed up to this point, thank you. And remember to like the video, share the video, and leave me a beautiful comment. And I'll see you all in my next one. At this point, I'll say bye bye, and please subscribe to this channel.